Hi and welcome to our channel. If your large surface element will not turn on, or you cannot adjust the heat intensity just like ours, you may have a broken or damaged surface burner switch. This particular surface burner switch is specific to Frigidaire. We need Phillips screwdriver for this repair. We ordered this replacement range switch online. Check out the link in the description. First, disconnect the power to the electric range before you begin this repair by unplugging the cord to the receptacle or at the main switch. Next, we need to pull the range to the front enough so that we can have access to the back panel. Then we have to remove the burner knob using Phillips screwdriver. Sorry, we already removed the two burner knobs before this video was shot, so as to avoid using these two large surface elements. Let's move forward. We need to remove the back cover of the range so we can have access to the electronic oven control. We have to remove wire-to-wire out of the old control and put it to the new one. We will line up the new one at exactly same position and secure it with Phillips screws. Return the burner knob on each sides. Connect the power at the main switch and plug the cord to the receptacle for the electric wrench. Let's test it. Then, we're ready to put back on the back panel. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and leave a comment, and also please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated for our latest video.